Are you guys ready to see this? Ta-da! We went back with the ATS. So, let's check it out. Oh yeah. Ding ding. Look at that. It's awesome. So, see, these are magnetic. Yeah, so that's inside. Outside looks amazing. Here's the weep hole. Oh, I cannot wait to put this in. Here's the hardware. Make sure, there it is, the little weep hole one. Make sure we get that. Got the gasket. And then the instructions. I always like to show you guys the instructions because then you guys can look at it. Do that. 34 pounds, blah blah. Come on. Cool. Awesome. Let's put her on in just a little while. What's up, everyone? So we're back. It's windy again, sorry. We're about to drain this now and put my diff cover on. So we're gonna drain this. It's 13 millimeter. So got that. Oh, socket stayed on there. What we're gonna do is just drain in there, let it sit, and then we'll scrape off the old gasket and make sure she's on. It shouldn't be too big of a deal, so get all this stuff out of the way and get her started. The little shitty part is I broke my 13 millimeter, so now I'm running to O'Reilly's, which sucks because I wanted to get this done before it turned dark. There's times where I wish I had a garage and I wouldn't care, but running out of daylight, so let's go buy something. Well, here she is. We got her off. Little screwdriver, some action. Got the 13 millimeter back on. Let her drain for a little bit. Start scraping off the gasket and get this out of the way and put her back on. Fill her back up. Okay, so we got her on. I'm just tightening everything with the hex bolts. Won't focus. Yeah, we're doing all the bolts right now. Just putting them in half height, so we're working on 30 pounds. And she should be done. So we ran into some issues, and I forgot that I needed a hex. And so I had to go to my friends real quick and grab one. And yeah, so I had to go grab one of these huge, it's a 3/8 Allen wrench for the top of the thing, and we broke a bolt. So for some reason my cheap Harbor Freight torque wrench broke this in that fucking head. Oh my god. But I got it out, so I had to take the whole thing off again. And now, here we go again. Let's get her back on. Okay, so we're done. I got all tightened up. I will have to get another bolt for that one. I'd rather the top one not have a bolt than the bottom one. But here we go, we're gonna do a 75/90 severe gear. And also too, the weep hole right here is, so when shit comes out, that's when you're full. So, oh, my phone's dying or something. But yeah, let's put her in. Okay, so you can see it's coming out a little bit. That's the weep hole. So we put enough in there, and so I used about 6, and there's probably like right here this much left. It's only full, like, used that much. But yeah, here comes a steady stream. The thing underneath it, but no leaks so far. But let's put the lid on it and get her going, and I'll finish it tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day and we got her installed. Look how nice she looks. Amazing. Perfect. So what happened too was, so I snapped the bolt, which kind of sucks, but I finally got it out. It was literally poking out just enough where I could get it out with my fingers. And so I did all that, and then I left the top one on, didn't have a bolt in it, and I just rather have the top rather than the bottom, because the bottom would leak and I wouldn't have no way to get to work, which kind of sucked. So got that all done, and they got the hex. I'm blowing a blank. Oh my god, I'm like, don't even know what that thing is called, but the hex I showed you last night, it's a 3/8. I use it for the top and the bottom. So the bottom fill, or the top fill, and the bottom to empty it. But yeah, make sure you do that. And I just did everything hand tight cross. Everything turned out great. This video was a pain. Yeah, it took about, should have been like an hour and a half job. Turned almost 3 hours because I had to run around, had to get that freaking broken bolt out. But other than that, she looks good. Any other questions, let me know. I'll put down what I use and where to buy it and stuff in the link below. Thank you for watching.